How to create and set up a Twilio account. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and set up a Twilio account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Twilio website. Once you're on the home page, click on the Sign Up or Start for Free button to begin creating your account. Now, you'll need to enter your basic details. Type your email address, create a strong password, and choose a username. After that, click Continue to move forward. Next, Twilio will ask you to verify your email address. Open your email inbox, find the verification message from Twilio, and click the confirmation link to activate your account. After email verification, you'll be asked to verify your phone number. Enter your mobile number and choose whether you want to receive a verification code through SMS or a phone call. Enter the code you receive to complete this step. Now your Twilio Console dashboard will open. This is your main control panel where you manage messaging, phone numbers, APIs, and projects. Finally, test your setup by sending a test SMS or making a test call directly from the console to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it! Your Twilio account is now fully created and ready to use for messaging, voice, or automation projects. That's all for the video.